It looks like he's gonna punch him. Hold on. Oh, get straightened. His arm doesn't go straight?
Hey, would you make fun of me if I wore these?
Alright, this is a show that focuses on the more interesting parts of mine and my cousin's life. Each week, I film everything that doesn't consist of us going to work and edit it all together for your viewing pleasure. Each episode will have an introduction just like this one, because you never know who's tuning in for the first time. In this episode, we explain the ending to our first video. I go through my typical boring day off and what it usually consists of. And one of us may or may not go to jail. And we make up for the first video with an even bigger bang. Now, as time goes on, the content in these videos will get better. I can only watch myself on screen and be bored so many times without it pushing me to do something better. Or at least I hope. Enjoy.
Right, in 3, 2. Alright, so the reason the last video ended so abruptly was because the explosion was so loud that it stopped the camera from filming. And that's a true story. We thought we ran out of memory, but it was right after the blast happened, and I guess like a sound, a wave sound, whatever, reached the camera and it stopped it from recording. So,
and I put so much time and effort into making that stupid fucking bomb, and then to get none of the explosion except for the first split second of it on film really pissed me off. So we built an even bigger one.
Even bigger, baby.
And I don't know, I'm gonna try and set the camera further back, and maybe that will, maybe the same thing won't happen. I sure as fuck hope not. Fuck, where's he at?
Hello! Hello! Any louder?
Because, well, Sean and Wes are here now, and we were going to, well, I started to tell you when I was on the phone with you earlier, but we just kind of stopped the conversation. But what we're going to do is blow up a bomb that's made out of a bunch of fireworks, kind of like wrapped together, and they need a place to blow it up. And I was like, hey, we could blow it up at my grandparents' house. I'm sure they won't mind. So I figured I'd call you and tell you, and you don't mind, do you? It's not, I don't think it's gonna like really hurt anything. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, that's a cop.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do that. Well, don't film and drive. It's like texting and driving.
No, it's not. Recording?
Yeah.
I'll do this.
Damn, I can't do it.
I gotta do the whole thing.
That was my fucking thumb. Did you hear that ting?
Yeah, I did. You dumbass.
What's that? Alright, let's get those. What's that?
You said that off spark plugs, didn't you?
Yeah.
There we go. Wait.
How can that blow up?
There we go.
Far back, this is fine.
Yeah.
What I was trying to do was like lift it a little bit so this wick wouldn't be burning up the grass.
That ain't gonna hurt the grass.
No, that's gonna go so fast. It's not gonna burn the grass.
Yeah, it'll be
Alright. Well, here we go.
Alright, today's my day off. I have 2 of these a week if I'm lucky to get everything done. Today, I'm lumping it all into one. I gotta do laundry. Pay bills. Okay, this one takes a little more explanation. Alright, I have somewhat of a past. Not necessarily a good one either. But that's a story for another time. Who I was as a person then led to all sorts of shit. But among many things, lots and lots of bills. The type of bills that if you don't pay them, you could end up in jail. Well, I've recently moved and haven't been getting those bills in the mail anymore, so I forgot about them for a few months. Long story short, there's a warrant for my arrest, and I have to go to court to see what they're gonna do. Will they throw me in jail? I don't know, let's hope not. I'm sure if I pay the bills, everything will be fine. Get food. Go to Best Buy and hopelessly stare at the camera I want, knowing that I can't afford it.
It will be mine. Oh yes, it will be mine.
Order a new tripod because the one I have sucks. Go to my grandma's and weed her garden. Then come back here and edit all of it together for no one, because no one's ever gonna watch this.
Where you throw them somewhere? Oh, dude. You're a bad person.
Dude, it's for the birds. Dude, this looks like a fucking, like a pad. Doesn't it? You were spoon.
Eat it. Dude, that's rotten for sure. It's been sitting in 90-degree heat in my car for like 4 days.
It's rotten, alright.
Okay, I'm on my way right now to the courthouse to see if I'm gonna go to jail or not. I'm hoping for the best. I haven't been in trouble in a long time, so I'm pretty confident that everything's gonna work out. But we'll see. Man, I swear, it's the more you try to better yourself, the more people will try to get you down. The more people want to see you fail. I mean, maybe that's not the case, but it sure seems like that. There's certain people out there who are just bad people, man. They're just all around bad people. There's really no other way to explain it. And you just gotta remember that people like that don't matter. They don't have a voice in your head unless you let them. If you let people like that rent space in your head, then really that's on you. All you gotta do is keep doing the next right thing and work fucking harder, man, every day for what you want in this life. You're only here for a very short time, and to let someone mess with that time here is just insane. You can't let people get to you, man. If you're working hard and you're doing the right thing, it won't go unnoticed. What you put out is what you receive, and I'm a firm believer in that. So don't let people get you down.